Meet Shutter Encoder.
Hi, in this video, I'll be reviewing how to split a video file without re-encoding using Shutter Encoder. Let's dive right in. To download Shutter Encoder, go to shutterencoder.com. Shutter Encoder is a free video and audio converter based on FFmpeg. It offers a variety of features, including the ability to convert files, trim, cut, and many other useful tools. In my honest review, I won't go through all the features, as there are too many to cover. Instead, I will focus on how to split a video file without re-encoding it and see how well it works. First, go and download your free copy of Shutter Encoder. It's supported on multiple platforms, including Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. I recommend selecting the portable version of Shutter Encoder. With the portable version, no installation is required. Simply extract the files and run Shutter Encoder directly. This makes it easy to use on any compatible device without the hassle of installation steps. If you receive a Microsoft Defender Smart Screen message, simply click on More Info and then select Run Anyway. This action will allow you to bypass the warning and open the application. Let me close all the other windows to clean up the workspace. Now that we have a clear view, let's proceed with the splitting process. Here, I have a small MP4 video file of my own that I'll use for testing. My goal is to split this video into several parts. With Shutter Encoder ready, let's see how easy it is to accomplish this task. Drag the file into the area where it says Drop Files here. After the file is uploaded, you'll see a drop-down menu that displays all the tools supported by Shutter Encoder. You will receive a message notifying you that the Cut Without Re-encoding option may not be very precise, as it can only cut at keyframes. This is important to keep in mind, as it may affect the exact timing of your splits. To cut the file, select Split from the drop-down menu. If you enter 10s, it will split the video into chunks of 10-second segments. This means you'll end up with several clips, each 10 seconds long. Use the playhead to scrub through the video file and see where it has been cut. This feature allows you to review the segments and ensure that the cuts are in the desired locations. I'm currently using a virtual machine, and for some reason, the preview feature isn't working. If you're watching this video, Paul, could you please take a look at why the preview might not function properly in virtual machines? It would be great to get your insights on this issue. In the meantime, let's continue on local machine with direct hardware access. I'm going to use the same setup and file again. After dragging and dropping the video file, the preview is now working as expected. I can scrub through the video, and I'm even able to hear the audio while scrubbing. This makes it much easier to identify the exact points where I want to make the cuts. Select Split. Since the video is about 7 minutes long, I want to divide it into 3 parts, so I set the duration to 180 seconds. The vertical lines will indicate where the cuts will occur. This visual guide helps ensure that the splits are exactly where I want them. Once everything looks good, we can take the final step to process the cuts by pressing the button, Start Function. The split process will be very fast since no encoding is involved. If you watch the folder, you'll notice that 3 additional files have now appeared. These correspond to the segments we just created from the original video. Let's open the first file. The video clip is exactly 3 minutes, or 180 seconds long. The second created clip is 3 minutes and 2 seconds long. This slight discrepancy occurs because the splits can only be made at keyframes. If you need more precise cuts, you'll need to choose the option to re-encode while splitting. Keep in mind that this will take more time and could result in some quality loss. So, that's it. This is how to split a video file without re-encoding using Shutter Encoder. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.